In this lecture, we're going to discuss the Windows Store app. So the way you locate the Windows Store app is you go to the search bar down here, type Store, and you will see the Store app right there. A few options you have. Once you get to the store, you can right-click it, and you can unpin it and pin it to the Start menu, unpin it and pin it to the taskbar. But in this case, I've already pinned it to my taskbar. I just wanted to show you where it's located. So what you do is you go to your app right here, the Windows Store app, click it, and this is all the apps you can download from the Windows Store. And typically some of the development work is in Universal Apps, so you will see all the apps that are here. You can see app top charts as far as what are the top free apps that are associated in Windows 10, the Windows Store. You can see the top paid apps that are associated here. You can also see the best rated apps. And there's a lot to choose from the Windows Store. Now, bear in mind that the Windows Store is smaller than the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, but there is a lot of different things you can get from here. So you have all these different categories. So remember what we did here. Let's go all the way back to the beginning. We have all the apps that are being featured here. We have picks for you as far as associating. A lot of these are shown that are very popular. And then you have the most popular apps shown here too. And you can see a list of these items from Amazon, you name it. If you want to play Simple Solitaire, Call of Duty, there's a lot of different apps. Even if you want to get Office 365 or you want to watch videos with VLC for the Windows Store, there's a lot of choices that you can pick from the Windows App Store. I want to show you kind of a cool one real quick. I know it's more on the IT side. There's a remote desktop app, and it's a pretty cool app as far as when you want to connect remotely to machines. I've already installed it. It just has like a nice app interface instead of using the default remote desktop, and I'll show you that. So if we go over here and type remote desktop, this is typically what you use for remote desktop throughout the years in Windows. Now we can go here. We have this app-like interface for remote desktop, stores it kind of in a nice app-like feel. So just a nice little app to have. There's a few of these features you can see. A lot of how Windows 10 is going more into the app-like features, even from its settings to its control panel management in the settings itself. So let's go back to the Windows Store. A lot of different apps you can download from here. A lot of them are free. And like I said, if you go down here to app top categories and charts, game top categories and charts, once you go here, you can see a lot of different apps. You can also see it by category, book and reference. You can also, if we go back, you can see business, and then it will be business line associated like Citrix Receiver or GoToMeeting, Microsoft's Power BI. You can see a lot of different business apps here. Then you can also go back and you can see developer tools. These are some apps that you can see for developer tools as far as your Wi-Fi, if you want to monitor your Wi-Fi or your network adapter. A lot of different things. If you want for kids and family, you have kids and family apps here that can be downloaded. And just a bunch you can choose from the Windows Store. It's pretty simplistic. They make it very easy to navigate. You can even look at the top free, top paid, best rated, new and rising apps like NFL on Windows. So the Windows Store's apps are very broad. It keeps growing, so this is something to check out on your Windows 10 device. And even if you go into further development, besides, just purchasing apps. I know this is very basic, for basic usage, but if you're into developing apps, it's another platform you can look at as far as your market, your target market, and you can see what's out there already. So this is a nice place to reference and nice little apps to get on your Windows 10 device. I want to thank you for joining me in this lecture. You have a nice day.